Hey everyone, in this video today, I'm going to try to install these red seat covers in my Maserati Ghibli. I got these custom made to fit my car rather than the ones where you get online that are universal. I got these, well, they're also online, but I'm trying to cover these and make them look red. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so first up, we're gonna put this cover on first. It's gonna go right on the seat like this, but you can see everything lines up right where it's supposed to be. Down to even this part right here. You see this compared to this right down here as well. It does say SRS airbag on this side, so we want to make sure that does match, because on the other side, you can see airbag is on that side. Okay, so here's the fit of one particular cover. So it has enough material that I can tuck it right between the seat here. But of course you do have these loops and they have to go down as well. And then these straps that have to go in. So this part of the seat, you're able to pull straight out like this. And this part comes right out. Okay, so if you look over here, you're able to see I'm able to get under the seat and then straight through it. So I'm gonna stick my wires straight through here. I can loop this back through here. And then once I'm done, I can just slap the cover back on. So I've tucked this part here just about 1/2 inch right behind this panel. I do have some of these straps running through, but now they're all going all the way through the seat and coming out the other side. Okay, and then the cover is snapped in right here. Everything's snapped right in. So it's looking pretty flush all the way across, except for some of the creases over here. So that gives you your bottom seat. Now for this, I am behind the front seat. Put this Velcro through, go right around the headrest, and then go down. Now we'll pull this down from either side. This Velcro can go back on when it's around the seat.
Raise the headrest a bit. Put this around here.
Okay, and then we're just going to pull down towards the bottom. And on this side with the zipper, we'll zip this up when we're done. Here's how we're looking on this side. Pull this down. Push this all the way through. Make sure the loop goes through as well. Okay, then we zip down on this side. And then we can tie these loops together back here. So next we have the bottom of the seat here, and that is going to go right over here. So the best way to do this is to actually remove the seat, because you have this strap that goes on the other side of the other one. I know you can fold it down, so that helps with a lot of it. And it looks pretty good on the sides and along the top. This here is still a bit puffy. And this does zip up and down, so you're able to access the armrest down the middle. That leaves me with one more seat to go. For the headrest, we'll pull this cover straight out. Then we'll slide the headrest cover on, put this back into place right afterwards, and it should snap back in place. With all the Velcro back in place, here's how it looks. It feels tight on the headrest, although there's no crest on it. So here's how everything's looking at this point. I do wish that this red matched my door panels a bit more, because I do have the darker red from the actual Maserati. This feels more like a really, really bright red. However, the front seats do look really nice. They do fit perfectly on this. The back seats, I must say, they do need a bit more fitment. I believe I'm going to go ahead and take out both the back seats to see if they fit better. Here are the back of the front seats so you get a better idea of how that looks. Looks pretty nice and tight on the front. Again, with the back seat, a bit more tucking will need to happen to get this more in place. Otherwise, this will fit for now. We'll definitely fold down, remove the back seats, probably in another video, and show how that works, and then see if I can get this fitted more. So there you have it. Curious to know your thoughts at this point? Please drop them down below in the comments section, leave a like on this video, and subscribe for more. Thank you.